Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Naveed. As you know, this year comes to an end. I pause for a moment to look back. This year's was not just about time passing for me. The year brings for me growth, hope, courage, and countless blessings from Almighty Allah. At the beginning of years, I carried dreams in my heart and responsibilities in my shoulder. I had dreams, responsibilities, and a strong desire to move forward in life. Along with worldly goals, I made a sincere effort to strengthen my connections with Almighty Allah. After the death of my parents, I realized strongly to move forward in religious path and also remember of Akhirat, always thinking for preparation of that. We have only one chance in this world and never come back after death in this world. So go for real ambitions in our life. One well-known hadith I quoted here, I like the most. In fact, the wisest person is the one who remembers death oftenly and pray for it well by obeying the commands of Allah. And the foolish person is the one who follows his desire and then keep hoping for Allah mercy without action. This year, I tries to make the Quran a regular part of my life, reading it, reciting it, and reflecting upon its meaning. I focus more on offering prayers, doing tasbih, and remembering Allah in every possible moment. This act of worship brought peace to my heart and clarity to my mind. One of the biggest milestones of the years was switching my job and join an STEAM organization. Ian brought new challenges, new hearing, and a renewed sense of confidence in my professional journey. I believe Allah opened these doors through patience, effort, and trust in His plans. This year's also brought personal achievements. I purchased a Samsung mobile and upgrade that supported me on my daily work and creative work. Further, I purchased a laptop, a channel at YouTube for making progress and express our feeling in a better way. One of the biggest achievement this year is I bought a car. Was it a special moment for me? It was not just a vehicle, but a reward for years of hard work, patience, and belief. Buying a car was a moment of gratitude, reminding me that Allah rewards perseverance in expected ways. Another dream comes true when I purchase land for the construction of my future home. Standing there, I realize how small step taken with faith leads to big milestones. In fact, a purchase of land for my future home was another blessing from Almighty Allah. Standing there, I realized that every blessing is a trust from Allah. I deeply grateful to Almighty Allah for His countless blessing. I thanks to all of my family members, friends, relatives, and all those who supported me, believed me, and prayed for me. This year taught me that a remember of Allah bring peace, and hard working never goes unrewarded. That patience strengthens faith, and trust in Allah makes every difficult path easier. And the success holds meaning only when it comes with humility. As I step into the new year, I carry lessons, gratitude, and hope. I look forward to a new goals, bigger dreams, and a better version of myself. At the end, I pray from Almighty Allah. May Allah grant us courage, guides our heart to the right path, and reveal the true purpose of our life in this world. And whatever we have is all from Almighty Allah alone. And whatever we have, all from Almighty Allah alone. To walk on the straight path is one of His greatest blessings. This is only the worship of Allah to obey His commands. Thank you all of you for being part of my journey. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, please. Finally, I pray from Almighty Allah. May Allah bring this year, coming years, bring success and peace all of us. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.